Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Web Sparrow. Viewers, in this video I am here with the new script of binary multi-level marketing website. Basically this is the MLM Lab latest version script. In this video I will guide you completely about this site. I will give you a demo of this home page, this website, its user panel and its admin panel, and I will completely guide you how you can control this site from the admin panel. So if you want to buy this script from us, you can contact us on WhatsApp. The link is in description. You can contact us and buy this script from us easily, and we will provide you a complete support from installation to if you face any issue in the site from any other issue. So we will give you a complete support for lifetime and for completely free. And if you need this complete website with domain name and hosting, we also built the complete website. So you can contact us for more details, and here you can see that I've just uploaded it on my hosting server, and you can see it is on hosted over my domain subdomain. And now let's start this video. So first of all, you can see the look the amazing homepage of this website, and you can change these details. You can change the sliders from admin panel. Here you can directly log in and register. So this is the about section. You can change the video from here. You can add your own about right here from admin panel. Here you can change these options. So here is how it works. These are the team member option. You can change them from admin. This is the plan pricing option, and I just created only one plan, which is basic, but you can create as many as plans you want from admin panel, and I will show you how we can do this. So here you can see the latest transaction. So site is newly created, so currently there is no transaction over the site, and you can see all other things, client reviews, latest news, blog section right here, and these are frequently asked questions. This is the footer section, and you can change these logos and links etc from admin. So here when I click on about section, it will redirect me to my about page of this website. Here is a marketing tools page, and you can view all the marketing tools. Here are the plan page. You can see the plans on the website. Here is a blog. You can see the blogs externally by clicking this, and you can read, user can read them. And if you want to contact to the admin, you can easily send emails or contact to the admin of the website from here simply. So and now let's go to its user panel. Let's log into its user panel. So I already have an account, so I'm not gonna log in create account again. But if you don't have an account, you must have to register over the site. So you must have to go to register option to register. So I already have an account, so I will just register my with my username and with my password right here. And when I click on login, it will redirect me to my user panel of this website. So you can see that I am on my user dashboard of this website. Here you can see your total balance, total deposits, withdrawals, and left BV, referral commission. All these things are here in front of you, and here you can see your total balance. To deposit money on the site, just click on deposit, and here you have to choose the gateway, and you can easily deposit money by using any of the gateway. Same case is withdraw. You can withdraw money using any of the gateway. So there are multiple automatic and manual payment gateways, and if you want to create your any gateway such as EasyPaisa, JazzCash, any local gateway, you can create it. So here user can invest in different plans. For example, I want to invest in this plan, so just click on subscribe plan, select method using balance, and you can easily subscribe this plan. So this is how you can subscribe the plans. So here you can see that plan has subscribed successfully. So here you can see that it is subscribed. So here you can see that business volume logs. When you go to my referrals, here you can see your referrals, and here to see that referral tree, go to my tree, and you can see the referral tree right here. So here you can see your left joint referral link, right joint referral link, and you can refer different people using these links. So here is same case with deposit, withdraw. Here you can transfer balance from one account to another. To transfer balance, you have to give the username, and you can easily transfer balance from this website to your any other account on the same website. And you will get so this website will also give you the option of ePIN recharge, and you can recharge with ePIN. Here you can create PIN and recharge with ePIN, so which is a new option in it. So as it is the latest version script, so you will find many amazing options in the script. Here you can see all transaction. Here you can see your ranking. Here you can generate a support ticket, two-factor authentication, profile settings, change password, logout. So these are the settings of user panel. Now let's directly go to its admin panel and let's see how we can control this website from the admin panel. So here you can see that I am on my admin login page. Here I have already entered my admin username and here I entered my password. Now when I click on login, it will redirect me to my admin dashboard, and here you can see the dashboard of the admin. Here you can see your total user, active users, email unverified user, total deposits. You can see the site is newly created, so not showing any deposits and transactions, but when user will deposit money, withdrawals, everything will be shown right here. Here user can see all the notifications right here. Admin, if you want to change its detail, can change its detail from here. And let's go to plans and let's create a plan. So from here you can create a plan. So you can see that there is only one plan over a website, so you can disable it or edit it. So I want to create a new plan, so here you have to give the name of new plan. Here you have to enter the price of plan, you have to set the business volume, here you have to set the referral commission, and here you have to give the tree commission, you mean binary left and right VV tree. So here you can give a tree commission, and I am just giving a random commission, and when you click on submit, your plan will be created. So here you can see that our plan has created successfully on the website. So this is a plan, and now let's go to our website and let's see our plan, how it looks like. So I will just directly go to my website, and here we have to scroll down, and here you will see our plan has created successfully. So this is our plan that I just created. So here you can say this is a plan that I've subscribed before, and this is a new plan and I can subscribe it too. So this is how we can create the plans over the website. So here is manage pins. From manage pins you can manage the pins of the website, e-pins, so you can manage them from here. And this is the user ranking option, which is also a very amazing option on this website. Here you can set the ranking of user, ranking 1, ranking 2, and up to different levels you can set the ranking. So it is also a very amazing option of this website script. So if you want to manage the users, just click on the active users, and here you can add balances to the account of user, you can subtract balance. So if to add balance, just click on it, you can add balance, and here you can subtract balance from user account. You can change the details of user, you can ban this user, you can see the trees, you can log in as a user, and you can view all the details of the user from here, and you can verify their emails, KYC, everything from here. So here you can see paid user, all user, with balance, everything you can see it right here. So let's go to payment gateways. So these are the automatic payment gateways. You can see 25 plus automatic payment gateways are here that are completely worldwide accepted gateways: PayPal, Paytm, Skrill, Perfect Money. All the gateways are here, and if you want to edit them, you can simply just click on edit and you can edit these gateways. So you can enter your own details here and you can enable the gateway. So to create a manual gateway, just click on manual gateways, and if you want to create any local payment gateway such as EasyPaisa, JazzCash, Paytm, so just click on add new, and by filling these details you can create any manual payment gateways for deposits and withdrawals. So this is how you can create a gateway. Just fill the simple detail. Here you can give options for screenshot addition from here, and your gateway will be inserted. So let's go to deposit. Here you can approve or reject the request or deposit request of user. You can approve them, reject them from here. So this is that section. So similar is the case with withdraw. You can approve and reject the withdrawal requests of user. So there is a support ticket option. You can see the support tickets of user. Just go to pending tickets and you can answer those tickets from here directly. So let's go to general settings first. So here you can change the website name, you can change the currency of website, you can change the currency symbol, and you can change site base color and balance transfer, etc. You can manage it from here. So when we go to system configuration, so here you can turn on off different features of the website such as user registration, email settings, email notification, mobile verifications, language, ePIN, recharge. You can disable it from here. You can disable balance transfer, user ranking. You can disable or enable things from here. So here is a cron job settings, matching bonus settings from logo and favicon. So when we go to logo and favicon, here you can change the logo of website, you can insert your own logo, and you can insert your own logo and favicon from here. You just have to select the logo and you can easily upload this logo, your own logo. So you can see that it's quite very easy to manage this website, and if you want to buy the script from us, you can easily buy it, and we will provide you complete support. We are a complete company, so we will give you a complete support and you don't need to worry about anything. So here when we go to languages, you can insert any language you want. So you can see that already there are default 3 languages on the site, but if you want to insert any local language, so just click on add new, give the name and code of language, and you can insert that language too. So it's very easy to insert your own language, so you can insert language from here. So let's go to SEO manager. So from SEO manager, you can manage the SEO of website directly. You can give meta keyword, description, social title, social description from here, and you can also upload the image of your website. So from KYC setting, you can manage the KYC setting. From email setting, you can manage the email settings of the website. From here, you can manage SMS settings. So you can manage the global template, notification template. So manage template, you can manage the template. From manage pages, you can manage all the pages of the website. So if you want to edit the website from here, so if you want to edit the website home page, for example, I want to edit the about section, so just click on it and you can easily edit the about section of website from here and just click on submit. So you can see it's quite very easy to control this website and change these settings. So you don't need to anything, just you have to there is simple a single click changing and you can change it from here. So similarly, there are all the sections that are on the home page and you can edit them from here. And here you can see that it is the latest version of MLM Lab, which is 2.5. so you can buy it from us and you will get a complete support. So here you can see the server applications and some other options. So viewers, if you want to buy the script from us, do contact us on WhatsApp. The link is in description. And if you need any details about the site, you can also contact us. And thanks for watching this video. Do like and subscribe to our channel.